like a court shuttle, a police escort, and a confession van. It is an all-in-one vehicle. That's what it sounded to me. It sounded like that. It's wild, and that's just the beginning of it. So let us recap on what happened about the Fortuna and the Friday highlights. The Friday courtroom fireworks were like this. Brigadier Gininder confirmed that the Fortuna had a tracker, and he has affidavits to prove it. So the judge wasn't just satisfied about that. To me, he sounded like someone who's agitated because Advocate Mnisi has been saying, I need these AVLs because they are central into my cross-examination that I have to do when it comes to this witness, Brigadier Gininder. So he was just like, you know what? Let's get this over and done with. I need the full trips. I need the driver's logs. I need the driver's names, the escort details, basically everything that was around the area, Moroka, Boksburg, Dobsonville, Ekurhuleni. I need everything concerning this. You name it, he says he wants it. So he literally said, according to me, that vehicle was a multi-purpose vehicle. It was escorting, taking people, it was just multitasking like a pro. So, and also remember there was the red Golf that was spoken about, that Advocate Mnisi has been wanting those AVLs. But then it's clear that he's not going to get it because they told him that the AVL was not fitted in there. So he says, okay, I accept that there's no AVL for this Golf, but can the people that escorted this Golf, the Metro Police, can I get those AVLs? We don't know if he will get it, but yes, judge has said that he'll subpoena all the things that I've mentioned, that we need them and they need to be there. So when the Fortuna was unavailable, guys, there's another vehicle that was used. It was a hard body, a Nissan hard body that took over. Guess what happened to the hard body? It was involved in an accident. It was written off. There are pictures to prove that. We had Brigadier Gininder telling judge that there are pictures, but guess what? There was no AVL for that hard body because Attorney Ramusipilo said we need those AVLs also. And he was told that the Nissan hard body did not have a tracker, and the reason is, guess what? COVID protocol. So you tell me, how does COVID protocol have anything to do with